of that. Galing. It's holding well. Feeling ko nga magkakabuni kasi magpa-fly with it na kami, kaya chicken. Sheesh, gutom na ako. How are you guys? Let's promote this. Rinig niyo naman ako. Kasi baka malakas yung fan ng laptop. Hello, balik ka na Batangas. Kakabalik ko lang nung isang linggo ko. Nag-TMI sa round. Ang bango! Yum! Wow! So I got chicken and some... What's this? Some... kimbap. Ooh, it's a salmon... like poke bowl or something like that. I'm so excited. Guys, I'm wearing Round Festival hoodie. They gave us Round Festival hoodies. There's actually a cap too. Where's the cap? But the cap is flat, which I don't really wear a lot. Mine sa cap. Pwede ko naman ibigay, pero pwede ko naman i-give away na does not. Okay, let's promote Round. It's been so much fun. Did you guys enjoy Round? Meron ba ditong in the chat that watched Round? You guys like it? Like the whole thing, the whole festival? Because I only got to watch Ben and Ben's. I only got to watch Ben and Ben's set, sadly. I wanted to watch Mimi Flies. I mean, I wanted to watch the whole thing, but of course that couldn't happen because we were busy with prepping and all that. Medyo maingay. I think it's my laptop fan, guys. I'm so sorry. How about here? How about keep the JBL? Sorry. Malakas kasi yung fan ng laptop ko kasi gusto ko maglaro eh. What if I back it up a bit? Okay, maybe if I back it up a bit. Better? Ilayo ko yun. You still look good with hat. I know. That's why I love wearing hats. Because someone, I'm not gonna say who, but someone in the group doesn't look good with a cap. No shade. But they just don't, like me. I look good with a cap. So I'm thankful because some people don't. Even if they look really good, caps just don't work for them. But I can confidently say that caps suit me. Even this pinatong ko lang sa ulo vibe, I think it's not too shabby, not too bad. Chicken. No hair. Jeprox. Na my sideburns are intense. Okay, ito na first bite. What's the first bite? What should be my first bite? Nililipad ako sa fan. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Hindi ko naman kakainin ko. Oh, may odeng, may Ito. Like bulldog sauce or something like that. Surgery ko tomorrow. Oh my gosh! For what? Good luck. The song are rain. The laptop's gonna fly with it. Guys, I'm so sorry. You know what? Should I just hold you like this? Like that. Okay lang yan. Maririnig nyo pa rin ako. Mapapatugtog na lang ako para hindi nyo marinig masyado yung fan. Gusto ko kasi maglaro eh. Or wag na lang ako maglaro. Gusto ko maglaro. Kaya ganyan. Kasi yung laptop ko ino-over clock ko or something like that. Okay. Okay, stream fly with it guys. Stream fly with it. Yan, hindi nyo narinig kasi pinatutugan. You like the arrangements from Round Festival? Oh shit. Thank you, thank you. Nakalimutan ko so. Oh my gosh, the clothes. Hey. Hindi na siya manual na siya guys. I deserve this. Yung song ito lalagay, ang luwag niya eh. Gusto ko siyang makita sa camera. I don't really stream our music like this, so this is really new to me. I usually, when I hear our songs play, I skip it. Sorry guys, I don't stream with all of you. Unless it's new, I do stream it. Guys, did you like the arrangements for Round Festival? I'm very proud of that. I mean, I didn't make it myself. I didn't make it myself. But I tried to really communicate what I wanted to have for the mood for the music. Because at first it was supposed to be just like our normal songs, but we didn't want that to happen because it would be like a normal thing, and we wanted to make it special. So yeah, we added new dance breaks and stuff and some intros. Actually, for the intro of Hit Me, there was supposed to be a gimbal, like a cameraman following us. So that was the mood for that. That was the vision for that, but it didn't really happen. So that was a bit sad. That was a bit unfortunate. Hopefully it still worked, especially for live. I think if you watched it live, you could really see the movements of each member, especially Jeremy's and Racer's. Because Jeremy and Racer, they had like acrobatic stuff going on with their solo intro moment. Sa'yo na lang to? Akin na lang nasa wrist mo? Sure. Oh, 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 oh. Did you hear the fan chant during Dash? Sadly, not really. I mean, I know you tried. I was hearing chants, but I couldn't hear clearly what was being chanted. So I don't know if it's like, if I'm hearing the right things or what. Sa Brazilian dance ng ano, sa Brazilian dance, kasi nga it's sumayaw sumunod. So we wanted to put something very sumayaw sumunod, and we thought of putting whatever Kim would do, we would follow. We would dance and follow with him. So I suggested, Kim, just do your favorite dance, and we were trying to think if it was better if we did whatever this is called, or the this, which si Kim, kayang-kaya yun gawin ni Kim. Si Kim lang talaga nakakagawa nito ng wow, ang galing. Grabe yung, kasi yung kanya may ganun, may ulo, may scuba, yun, yung the scuba. So we put both. We put the Brazilian dance and then the scuba. So nakita niyo yun pala yun, guys. I mean, napansin niyo. Thank you. Cute. Yummy. I love chicken. I love chicken. My hair is crazy. Wait. It's not gonna work. May padating na video ang Fly With It, guys. Wait a minute. But yeah, we're making it work. Gonna make it work, baby. Gonna make it work, baby. We're gonna make it work. Eagle bibimbap sauce. This one. Bibimbap sauce. Okay, makes sense now. Makes sense. Actually, guys, may mga iba pa kaming grand na gustong visions for Round Festival. Like initially we wanted talaga na may live band, pero of course with the limitations we couldn't do that. But that was tinanong kami, ano gusto nyo mangyari for Round? We want a live band. We were just going crazy. We want a live band. We want so many dancers. But we made it happen without that happening. We tried to do our best to, still have a nice performance with our current songs, but just like twist it up a bit and put some new arrangements, which I really enjoyed, like collaborating and like, you know, conceptualizing the whole performance with our performance directors and our choreographers. They were really, yeah, they really asked us what we wanted. That was very nice to have like a performance that we can be collaborative about. Like I wanted the Sumayaw Sumunod dance break to be something so like what? Something like beat heavy. It's something that's so distinct from the original sound of the song. And then for Hit Me, I wanted it to be something like, it still sounded like, Hit Me something is like, it's kind of like it's kind of like classical in a way, right? There's like piano in the intro. Initially, I wanted a dance break with piano in it, but it still happened. I think they, oh my gosh, what was that? I think they Mr. Ken, I think Mr. Ken is his name. Sir Ken, who made the arrangements, did such a great job with the arrangements so much. I thanked him after because he really made it happen. He really transformed the songs into something so wow. It's crazy. So yeah, who's that time for? Why do I keep messing up the food? Give up na ako. May 6 na anak. May 6 na anak are resting. Ba't naman ko lang musiko ngayon? Why? Where guray yung ganito? Yeah, we met so much of the other artists. We met almost all of them. We didn't get to meet Regina Song and Jojo Miracle. They're the ones we didn't get to meet, sadly. You saw me for the first time in Round. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching Horizon, and I hope you enjoyed Round Festival. Yeah, I heard Sulong will be released. Sulong was so fun. Kasi nga kasama namin kaya nun. And first one, or na close na naman namin, kaya wala nang awkwardness na nangyari. Kasi ang fun lang, kasi parang kami magkaklase na may field demo. Mega crew. Hip-hop mega crew. So fun. Super paus ako nung recording day ng Sulong. So, nakiusap ako na parang, pwede pong ibang day kasi yung boses ko hindi kaya. Parang the week following up to round, my voice was like wrecked. Not the best. Always naman basta may performance kaming malaki. My vocal cord always giving up on me. Hindi ko nahanap ng spotlight sa day 1. I know, guys. I was really alarmed, to say the least. But I mean, those things happen, so it's fun. At least we had day 2 to make up for the lighting mishap. And it happened very well. It went well. I was so gagged with your energy from day 2. Oh, thank you so much. I really put everything on day 2. Because it was so fun. It was one of our most exciting performances to perform for us, because it was something new and something, you know, shocking. So yung wish bus din, paus din ako noon ba yun? No excuse, but it's me not taking care of myself too much. That's the cause of it. I should shut up more. I should not speak more. so that I will have my voice when I need my voice, right? Nadapa si Raster kasi patay na yung ilaw. Wait, ang sarap. Racer trip. Kasi patay na talaga yung ilaw nung the set was done. Pero he noticed na kasi nagbibigay yung ibang members ng shirts, Fly With It shirts. Wait, where's my Fly With It shirt? Later, I'll show you. Fly With It shirts. Tapos may natira pa sa isa sa floor. Nakita ni Raster. Tapos tinakbuhan niya. And dun sa stage, merong lubog na part. Kasi R yung stage, di ba? May, kanya-kanya rin yung R. Butat tong negative space na to. So nahulog siya sa negative space. I mean, na-trip siya sa negative space and then boom. I don't know if he got to give the shirt after. Because he was really trying to go for the shirt. To give it to all of you. Pero yun. Nag-medic naman siya agad. Tapos okay naman. Ngayon meron pa ring band-aid. Sabi namin, baka may lumabas na chicken dyan. Joke lang. Guys, ba't busog na agad ako? What is this? This is not me. Is it because I'm speaking? Dami ko pa naman binili ng chicken. Kumain na kayo, guys? Nagulat ako nung nag-rap ka sa Fly With It. Guys, surprise! I'm a rapper. I have debuted as a rap. Wait. Well, I do have the rolling down the vat. No, that's still like singing. Rolling down the vat, come up follow. Actually, I just rap it sometimes. Or like muffle it. Or shout it. But yeah, guys, I gave you a rap. I always wanted to rap in a Horizon song, and I did it. Didn't overlook about 5. Guys, flex ko lang. One take lang yun. Sa studio, one take ata. Or baka nakadalawa ako, pero safety na yung pangalawa kasi okay na yung first. Flex ko yun. Alam niyo naman mabilis yung retake ko, guys. One take sa studio, one take, sipin mo yun. Pag bumibirit ako, ilang takes yun? Ilang beses ako, guys, kung wait, nasa phone ko kasi eh. Grabe kung ilang beses ko kinanta yung sulong, hindi ko na mabilang. Like, sulang, sulang, sulang. Kasi nga my voice was like, not doing it. Galing mo pala mag-rap. Kasi hindi ba halata, ang bilis ko magsalita. O, tinan mo, galing ko bilis ko magsalita. O, di pa ko reason na to. Nakita mo ba, cheater yun? Mabilis ako magsalita, kaya feeling ko natural lang sa akin mag-work. Talented G. Hindi naman masyado talented. Mabilis lang talaga yung bibig. Nanay ko magaling mag-rap. Guys, I found out about this trio band, New Lore, and they're Filipino. They're a Filipino band, right? I think so. I love this song of theirs, Substack Girl. The music's really cool. Like, I love the production. Like the vocal production, love it. What's your new fave go-to song? It's this one, Substack Girl by New Lore, and another one, Right Back. Right Back, dude. Right Back. I have been I have seen the flag online about Right Back by Carly Girl, and it's just like unjustified. Like, why is there debate? It's such a good song. I like it. Carly Girl. Umuwi at sa family nila si Jeremy and Marcos. Ang ganda ng bagong song. Thank you. My hair is thick. Guys, I'm gonna be attending my first wedding of a friend. That puts things into perspective. My friends are getting married, guys. What? Guys, magbe-belated live kami for Anchors soon. Promise! Hindi ko yung nag-greet ng happy anniversary Anchors. Sorry guys, pero malilate lang. Malilate. Magla-live kami lahat. Ng kompleto. With the... Kailan pa naman yun? Next week. Anong masasabi mo sa temp performance ni Jiro? Guys, I'm telling you, yung sa mga nagsasabing umalis sa comfort zone si Jiro, comfort zone niya yon. Magaling siya doon, pero secret lang yon. For special occasions lang si Jaira. Hindi siya dapat nilalabas everyday kasi mapapagod si Jaira. Si Jaira ay isang princess. Any song Reco, any song we didn't get to meet Regina's song. Marcus told us he's a fan, so he wanted to see her. Sadly, we couldn't get to see her. Wow, spicy! Ah! May merch ba? Wait, ang sarap, sorry. Hindi mo napagsalita. Oh! yum. Guess what you watching right now? I'm watching so much TV shows. I'm having so much fun. Marcus is here? Paano mag-invite? Can find. Favorite perfume, Orpheus. A movie. Splitsville. Fun movie. It's a farce. Horror recommendation. May pinunod kami ng manager ko ng isang araw. Tapos, ikaw na, hindi siya ganun nakakatakot. Pero thriller siya. Heart Eyes. Tapos, para kaming nilaro. Ibuloy, Jigen. I thought I could do this. I only ate 2 chicken. What? This is not me. Feeling ko magutom ako. Oo muna. Patay tayo dyan. Spoiler sa upcoming ganap. Ha ha ha! Guys, hinahanap ko talaga si Marcus, wala akong makita. Promise, wala. Kanino ko pa hinahanap? Fly with it MB when kahapon. Joke lang. Sarap ng oding. Ba't oding yung nagustuhan? So full. I haven't watched Pinky Up Envy. Let's watch.
I bet it goes like
Oh, have I watched? Oh, I think I've watched. Ooh. Really like it. Here it is. Woo! Ito, init bigla. Sagad akong magbukbang. Akala ko matagal akong magbukbang. Nabusog na agad ako. Wow. Hope you guys love the performance. Front round. Horizon is named as third in Tapler Asia's 10 Southeast Asia groups, worth listening to. Whoa! Thank you. Thank you, Tapler. Wow. That's big. That's crazy. Thank you, Tapler. I think I saw the article about that. The one. No. Stop. Na. Nagugulat ako pag naririnig ko yung intro ng mga kanta. Feeling ko magpo-perform ako. Nag-automatic dash please. Oh, can I play the live arrangements here? Or will I get flagged? No, I don't think so. It's not really. Should I play it? Yes, guys. Muscle memory ako. Biglang. I love muscle memory. Death or Paradise muscle memory? 없어요. 떨어졌어요. 네. 실망했어. lunudin mo ako. Oh, may muscle memory din ako dun. Joke lang. Let's see what we have. Why won't it work? Why? And then it goes like, pick me up. Take my hand. Doom, 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 doom. Take my hand. Doom, 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 doom. Why are you requesting take my hand? Ang ganda ng dance break ng sumayaw, sumunod, and hit me. Salamat! Tong, 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 tong. It's fun. Fun dance breaks. Ano tayo no? And then it goes down. Should I take my hand? Ano, downtown Ready to Burn, hindi mo na ulit nakanta. We hope you guys like the new song, Fly With It. Kasi kami ay fly with it na sa kakachike namin. Gusto mo ba ako, dude? Take my head. Stream Fly With It, guys. We're gonna be releasing a video for Fly With It soon. So while you guys wait, it's gonna be a fan cam video. Mukbang Fly With It. So kakain kami ng maraming chicken. Ready na ba kayo sa aming Fly Wings mukbang? Eat well po. Tapos na po kumain. Tama na. Tigil na natin to. Busog na ako, guys. So busog. Excuse me. Oh my gosh. I'm papaburp now. Wait around. Just be patient and you will be rewarded with something scary. Watch Heart Eyes. Hindi pa ba ako magpapakita sa inyo? Hindi pa kasi. Nasa phone. Binigyan kami ng album ng Tilly Birds. Their newest album. Wait. The title is long. Let me... What did you... Tilly Birds. Let's play Tilly Birds pala. Tilly Birds. What album that was called? I'll Remember to Forget You. We gave them our first album, Friendship. And then they were like, wait guys, our album is in the van. We're gonna give you after later. So they called us again, and then they gave their album to us. Thank you po, Tilly Bird. Salamat po na marami. Everyone was so nice and round because it is like, you know, like a festival that celebrates Southeast Asia and Korea and their relationship together. So it really felt like that. Didn't feel like meeting up with artist to artist. It felt like a relationship, a diplomatic relationship with other nations. It was so fun. So we hope you also enjoyed attending, because this year it was held in the Philippines, and it's really an honor that they had us as representatives for round in the Philippines, especially when it was held in the Philippines. So thank you for trusting us, NCCA, KBS, and Round Festival. Para ako nagme-ment pa rin dito. Mabuhay Pilipinas! C-pop represent, yeah. C-pop is really doing great right now. It's looking up. I love Nona. I love listening to Nona's music. Like Work is amazing, and Sad Face. I like Sad Face in their debut tracks. Shooting Star. I like that. Shooting Star. Ano masasabi mo sa outfit niya sa round? Thank you to our stylist Nash. We go like a Nash who really went through with everything and pushed through with the styling to be so fancy. It's so fancy. We really didn't see the final thing until the day itself. We just saw we just saw the pants at first, and then the whole thing we saw it sa day 2 na. Grabe. It was really nice. Medyo nabutas nga yung pants ko, pero ganun talaga pag sobrang full up. Nag-slide siya ng unti, I think by the end, kasi nagre-rewatch ako ng mga clips with with our team, and sabi ko, kailan pa sira yung pants ko, guys? Simula balunod, sira na ang sobrang una ko nun. So baka naman nakalabas na yung crotch ko doon. I mean, it was covered, guys. It was covered. But I mean, like, it was exposed. But it wasn't. The tela opened a bit, like, but didn't like open like completely. It wasn't like a hole. There was still like a thin piece of clothing that was like covering the crotch area. So yeah, ganyan talaga pag nagpa-perform, guys. It's bound to happen, and it's wide, so kita-kita. What is that? What is JM sending? Cake, wow. What is that? Why is it not stopping? Why Horizon Cella? Wow. That's amazing. That's a dream. If Coachella would have, I just want to attend Coachella. I just want to attend, Sadly, we couldn't go to Summer Sonic. It was supposed to be in the books, but we couldn't do it. Sad. I was really sad about that. Gee, should I pursue dancing? Yeah, you should pursue passions that you feel passionate about and you feel fulfilled in. You should always pursue them. Of course, with also thinking about the practical things, but sometimes you just follow those stuff, follow the things that make you happy, follow the things that you're passionate about, and you could be more happy. But not the easiest road, for sure, not the easiest path moving forward and growing up. But if you're happy with it, then it's amazing. Naalala mo? Good evening. Good evening. Sana makabalik kayo or sa Coronadal. Yeah, Coronadal, so fun! Coronadal. Ang tagal na namin hindi nakaka-visit sa Coronadal. The other members are resting. Some are in their homes. You know, after a big performance, because we really prepared a lot for Round Festival, we trained again so much consecutively for like a month or so. So it was a shock to our bodies, you know. It was something new. Because we didn't have that much training before that. But now, because of the Ramp Festival, we were like training a lot. So now I think they're resting, they're like having their free time by themselves. Pati Lollapalooza, I wanted to go. I want to go to Lollapalooza. I've always wanted to go to Lollapalooza ever since 2019 maybe. Because marami akong artist na pinapakinggan and they usually all go to Lollapalooza. So when I saw SB19 would be doing Lollapalooza, I was like, wow! That's crazy! It's not impossible, guys. Nag-collab nung Round Fest si Philly Birds and Ben and Ben. Ang galing. So fun. Yeah, my hair is very long now. Big at it. Chili X Ben and Ben. Is it cute? Ooh, dude. And then Philly Birds Ben and Ben. This one. Masaya, so fun. They're set. Ganda ng sulong. Thank you. Please watch out when it gets released sa streaming. Ang nostalgic kahit nung wala pong 1 week na nangyari. Nanonood ako sa sa Make Run. We got to watch Ben and Ben. Ito. Same page? Is that? Oh. Philly Birds personas. Magkasama ulit kayo ng Ben and Ben. Oo nga when we met nung sa backstage ng Round Fest, sabi namin, "Uy guys, nasa JBL Sound Fest, nasa JBL Audio, what was it called again? JBL Audio not Fest, right? Playground. JBL Audio Playground. Pupunta rin kami doon." Ang galing lagi kayo magkasama ng Ben and Ben sa mga events. Parang ang dami naming times na pagkakasali kami sa setlist. Ang pinakatanda ko kasi was AAA. I mean, not in the setlist, but they were invited as well. AAA 2024. And we did sing their song in a Korean YouTube show. Bakit hindi pwede magsama ang blue at yellow? Huh? Collab leaves with Ben and Ben. Ooh, that would be nice. Do you play games? Yeah, I play games. I'm gonna play. Oh, masarap. Let me open my... I'm playing Genshin a lot nowadays. I think mag-update na siya ulit. Ano kinain ko? Chicken! Chicken! Guys, chicken and salmon bibimbap. So thank you so much for watching Round again. It really means a lot that you guys watch our performance anchors. Thank you. We really UID reveal. No, wait. Could you hack me if I reveal my UID? Do you wanna play with me? I can try playing with you guys. Who wants to play with me Genshin? Only one. Or like, I think we can do like 4, right? But I don't know. What if I get hacked because I told you guys? Can I get hacked by sharing my UID? I haven't shared my UID with anyone besides my friends or my sister. I play Genshin. Yeah, I play Genshin. I've been playing Genshin since the release of Genshin. It's one of my OG from the start games. Actually, even, you know what? I'm not good with Valorant, but I also played Valorant near its release date. I like playing games when it's new. I don't like playing games when it's been like years after and then I joined the game. No. I feel like I got left out. ML. No, don't play ML. Sorry. Kaya OP ako pag nag-ML yung mga members ko. I'm like, kami ni Raster. Like, tahimik na kami ni Raster. Kasi na, wala na pala. Gabriel Vincent, why are you calling me with my full name? Naalala ko si G Devin. G Devin was so cool. So cool, so tall. Been a fan of you since Dreammaker. Thank you. There are a lot of you who are fans since Dreammaker, and it really means a lot. The day ones are here. The day ones. Some left, but the right ones stay. A good end to a Saturday. Thank you for noticing. Thank you too. That was me too, Dreammaker. Day 1 here. Oh wow. I think all of you are day ones, which is that's cool. Thank you guys. Thank you. Baka mag-iyakan tayo. Of course we would stay. Day 1. Eh, puro... Baka may mga nagde-day 1 pero wala sila nung episode 1. Joke lang. Thank you guys. The photos on the wall are of my friends, co-workers. I think this is a picture. Oh, this is up there is a picture with our old manager and Winston and me. And down here is a picture of Lovey Dovey Shooting Day, our first music video in Korea. And then this one is from last year, Horizon anniversary. And then that one is Maui Chiro, Marcus, Winston, Vinci, and Jeremy. And that's all you can see. I think that's most of it, yeah. Excuse me. Hey,
Where are they going? They mentioned a mage and a name?
So, Mr. Varka, are you acquainted with this Nicole? Or should I call her Mage N?
wait, you guys are hearing my game.
Not really.
Sorry
We've never
guys,
met,
maglalaro
though she has
muna
come
ako.
up in conversation.
Why don't you try
From what I've
streaming?
gathered, Alice kind
Oh
of
no, when I play, I'm just silent. I'm just like kill.
Alice is a larger-than-life person.
Unalive.
Again, that's why she's able to draw such an
Hindi
eclectic
ko pa nalalaro ko ni
people within
Varga.
her circle.
Ako din, actually.
If I remember correctly, being an interesting person is actually one of her main entry requirements. So, if you ever wanted to join the Hexen Circle, I'm sure you'd both be eligible to apply.
Hey! Don't go around making promises on Alice's behalf!
I wouldn't dare. I'm just trying to paint a picture of the Hexen Circle for you.
Okay, sure. Anyway, since none of us have ever met Nicole, how are we supposed to find her? You can't just go up to every woman inside and ask, hey, are you Nicole?
Maybe something she's wearing will give it away? Like a wind bloom into her chest or something.
Wait a minute. Alice never said Nicole was her mom's dad.
Oh, true.
Wow, si Paimon.
That would be this young lady then?
Oh, it's Nicole. Why does she look like Barbara? Are they related?
Hey there. Sorry to disturb you.
I
but,
forgot Nicole's lore.
You miss Nicole?
Nicole. Knight of Boreas of the Knights of Favonius. Alice might have mentioned me before.
Nonchalant siya.
Did we got the wrong person? Sorry. Oh, this is awkward.
When I... Huh? Where is this voice coming from?
My apologies. For certain reasons, I'm unable to speak. This is the only way I can communicate with you. It might take some getting used to, but I hope you can understand.
Hey, it's fine. I'm more shocked by the fact that Alice never speaks about me.
As for you two, we have crossed paths twice before.
Nakita nyo ba yung standing nyo sa Round Festival? Yeah, we did. Not real life though. I saw the pictures. My friends have pictures with the standees.
You're quite welcome. This time, things are different. We have reached the unwritten pages of the story. Now then, allow me to formally introduce myself. My name is...
Nicole.
No, stop! Alice, I can't believe it. I had a whole speech prepared. I'd agonize over every single word. She always picks the worst moments to ruin other people's plans.
Nicole will be playable
I'm
soon.
so
Oh,
sorry
really?
about that. Alice, I could have sworn
Guys,
I
kumain
deleted
ako
all
ng
of the
chicken,
covering
basil and
conditions.
garlic chicken,
How did
and
I pass
salmon
everything?
bibimbap,
Oh gosh,
and
this is so embarrassing. This is a very different side of Nicole than what we're used to. Is she not used to
Firehouse.
face-to-face interactions?
classic.
Don't worry about it. You've seen that introduction magic once already, so it wasn't too much of a shock.
Please go on, Miss Nicole. We'd love to hear what you have to say, or, well, communicate.
Loma stuttered.
Are you talking to this lady?
Loma stuttered.
Will you all promise to forget that horrendously embarrassing introduction?
Sorry, embarrassing. When?
My Genshin team, wait.
The
My
traveler
Genshin
in
team
Paimon should be
is
next to-
Kuki Shinobu. Kuki Shinobu for slot 1. Slot 2, Flynn's. Slot 3. Wait, I'm in cutscene mode. That's why I can't check my characters. Wait, who's my 3? I know is my 3rd slot. 4th slot, Sucrose. Yeah. Those are my slots right now. I'm using Flynn's as my DPS. I love Flynn's. Love Flynn's! Papakita ko kayo ng damage ng Flynn's ko. Yes, it's a lunar team. Hehehe. Chamsiman. Gusto ko na maglaro. So mag-skip na ako ng cutscene. 18 na ako sa May. Wow! Congrats on being a major. So happy. Stray Kids mood board. Oh, may Weavers po ba kayo? Opsoyo. Weavers Opsoyo. Opsoyo. Bawal ata mag-Korean. Inuubo ko. Pag nag-Korean. Is wrong something? You disappointed? No, no, no. Wow, character design is amazing. Kalungina looks good too. Wait lang. Wait lang. Papakita ko kayo ng damage. Yogi.
Fountain and make it if everything checks.
I think so.
Yes?
Great.
Excuse me, Miss.
Go on, miss. This conversation, I am Lama.
Ah, I if you'd be awesome. Anyway,
She seems friendly.
it's so nice to find someone who's actually willing to listen. I've been dying. Now, Paimon,
Kung nakinig ka lang sa akin, sana di nag-aabang.
What did I... Now then, the next order of business is... Where do we start looking for the moon goddess's name?
Once I've heard her out, I'll summarize this. I'm also but many of the more factually accurate records are from after.
Sounds like we're gonna follow Carolina's journey through. In that case, we'll start by heading to the Frost Moon Uncle.
Sounds like a plan. Take this with...
Thank you, Mr.
I should follow.
Okay. Okay, papakita ko na kayo ng damage. Hindi ko alam kung this is like big. I don't know how to stream my games, guys. But I will show you. Let's kill this Hilichurl. Let's kill this Hilichurl. Okay. Oh, there are a lot. Okay. Alam, mali yung rotation ko, guys.
Close your eyes. Observe.
Boom! Ay, naka-shield, pre! Napahiya ako. Alis tayo. Wait. Oops. Let me show you a different enemy to kill. I mean, to unalive. I can't say the K word, right? Okay. This one. This one's useful for flints. Okay. This is me trying to stream my games, guys. But manually. Okay. This one. And then, oh my god! And then I know. And then we put, oh my gosh! And then sucrose. And then, boom! Like, did you see that? Hindi pinakita. Bad ganun. Pangat ba ping to? Pero malaki yun, guys. Ang layo naman yun. Out of my way! Oh my gosh, ang ganda, guys. And then sucrose. And then please. See, 117, guys. Is that enough to wow you or not? Sometimes I get 120. So yeah, that's how I game. I'm not comfy showing you how I game. I'm not a gamer. I'm not like Marcus and Kyler. They're pro gamers. They really know how to play their games. And they deserve to stream their games. Me, I don't. I'm just like just randomly button smashing. I'm full, guys. You did good. Thank you. I don't know ML, guys. They have a tournament? Yeah, I heard they're gonna have a tournament. Called No. I don't play phone games, guys. Unless it's puzzle games, then I play that. in my phone. I played Brawl Stars. Nag-invite nga kami kasi nung when we shot with SB19 nung YouTube content there, yung nag-Jejemon kami. Nag-Jejemon theme. Si Stel and si Justin sila. Nag-Brawl Stars din. Sino ka ba naman? Tapos nag-invite kami. Pero hindi pa kami naglalaro ulit ng Brawl Stars. Naglaro ba kami noon? Hindi. Nagpakitaan lang kami ng accounts. Pero hindi pa kami naglalaro. But friends kami ni Stel. Sa Brawl Stars Flex. Pero hindi pa kami naglalaro. Main sa Brawl Stars. Si Jessie. Have you guys met Cloud7 before? Yeah, we met Cloud7. Guys, our manager, assistant manager, our team won't stop singing 6-7. I'm honestly offended right now. I'm like, guys, why do you keep singing 6-7 and not fly with it? They're always like, 6-7 naman dyan. Ako ang bida. Ako ang mundo. 6-7 naman dyan. Hawak mo ang mundo. Like, they keep singing it. Kasi nag-shoot kami ng All Out Sundays, tapos nandun yung 6-7, pinerform ng Cloud7. So I think they were LSS from that, and now they keep saying 6-7, and I'm just like,
People ought not be
why
so frightened
do
of
you guys
ghosts.
keep saying 6-7
They
and
are
not
merely
fly with it?
talking
They're like,
shadows.
kasi bago pa.
Chattering endlessly about their past affairs.
Ililipat ko na yung team namin sa Cloud7. Ayaw nila kantahin Fly With It. Sabi, fly with it, fly with it. Yun lang alam nila, pero 6-7, alam nila yung buong chorus, guys. Tapos may sayaw pa sila. Hawak mo ang mundo. 6-7 naman siya. Ang cute nila actually. Mukha silang mga fangirls na kumakanta ng 6-7 kapag ginagawa nila. Kaya medyo natutuwa din naman ako pag kinakanta nila. Sige, ikaw lang. Sige, at least 6-7. Congratulations on graduating. Feeling ko kailangan ko pang magmukbang in front of the live. Kasi pag nakamukbang ako sa live, para mas mabilis akong nabubusog. Hindi ako kain lang ng kain. Because what I would usually do, I would watch a show and then I would keep eating and I would be mindlessly eating so much even though I'm full. That never ends well, guys. Buldak challenge. I actually have buldak here. I was just too lazy to cook it, and I'm not into eating a lot of ultra processed foods right now.
Let us have a
I'm
modicum of
growing
patience for
in
the
age,
richness
and I should watch
complexity
what
of
I eat.
humanity. The wanton cruelty of the
With high
few is
honors,
not worth
congratulations. 6-7 naman dyan. Now you guys are closer. Do you watch K-drama? Yeah. The last one I watched, it was Art of Sarah. Yun yung title, no? Art of Sarah. Very good drama. If you want crime, and it's also the director of Extracurricular and My Name, which are also good K-dramas. Yeah. Pag naglabas ako ng brilyante ng apoy, what is the context? Ano masasabi mo sa performance ni Jiro with Shanti? They're good together. MLD people. Bakit ikaw lang mag-isa? Wala, nasa kanya yung perfume mo nandun din. Saan? Here? These are my perfume. Oh. Some of mine. Perfume bottles. One of my favorites. Yum. Yum!
He who wishes to peer into the abyss needs simply to wander through not
Art of Sarah.
night. The march of the wild hunt will be sure to drag him into the darkness.
Magte-10 na pala, guys. What scent? This one's Citron 28. Got it in Seongsu, my favorite neighborhood
People
in
ought not be
Korea.
so frightened of
I miss
ghosts.
Seongsu so much,
They are
guys.
merely talking shadows, traveling endlessly
Iyak
about their past
ako.
affairs.
Nagkita pa kayo ni JC? Last namin nakita ni JC was 17 concert. Yeah. 17 concert. Nanood kami together with Horizon and New Eid. Kapag nabasa ni Chito, ipupul ko si Loma. Ipul mo na, dude! I just spray this twice and that's it. I don't care if it doesn't perform as strongly as I want it to. I just want it to last very long. And ito, nagpas na to 1 year and ito pa lang yung nababawas ko. Ganun ako katipid, guys. Kasi mahirap na to. Bilhin. Hindi to ako mabibili. Regalo lang to. Hindi ko to kayo bilhin. Even my orphan. Pero kasi nga ngayon, ang dami ko nakikita na perfume is really bad for you, and like you know, like when you directly put it in your body or like on your body, it's not the best thing. So now I put it on my clothes more consciously instead of sa skin ko. Gusto ko niyan kaso mahal. Yeah, gusto ko dito kaya hindi siya ginagamit masyado. This one, a gift. This is a gift. Thank you so much to the actor.
Let us have a modicum of patience for the richness and complexity of humanity. The wanton cruelty of the few is not worth our ire.
Ito pala, may stickers pala. May mga nakuha akong stickers nung 17 concert. Ito. Ay, gusto... Can an anchor make this for Horizon, please? Like the Brat font, but a Horizon version. I would love to put it behind my phone. Stand 17 for Better Life. They were giving us some free. Because I'm watching so much stuff right now. And I haven't started on Beef Season 2. But that's also in my list. I'm watching Hacks. I'm watching Euphoria. Hacks Season 5. Euphoria Season 3. The Boys Season 5. Rooster.
People ought not be so frightened
DTF
of ghosts.
St. Louis.
They are merely talking shadows.
I'm watching a lot. So much TV shows.
Endlessly about
Which,
their
you
past
know, I
affairs.
love that. I love having lots to watch. But then there comes months na wala naman akong pinapanood. What's your favorite song nyo? Fave song na song nyo? Hindi iba lagi, pero Ad Eye naman for sure lagi. Ad Eye and... Ad Eye, yeah. Ad Eye seems to be the one who's always up there in my list. Congrats! We miss Odd Eye. Thank you. Lunod is your favorite? What kayo guys, what are your favorite Horizon songs? Go give me ideas. What do you guys want us to perform for JBL Audio Playground? Odd Eye Dance Break? Whoa, that's a nice idea. Lucky, lovey-dovey. Fly with it, Lunod. Salamat, Lucky. Death or Paradise. Meteor 2. Fly with it, a lot of Fly with it, of course. Fly with it, I'm gonna make sure we're gonna perform that. Lunod, how you feel? 16. Tiger din Dance Break. Wow. Take my hand, oh. Nice. Okay, I love the suggestions. Too Cool to Care, Fly with it. Crop Top. Take my hand. Dash OT7, how you feel? Thank you. Death
He
or
who wishes to
Paradise.
peer into the abyss needs simply to wander through the
Okay.
dark cry on a misty night.
Crop Top.
The march of the wild hunt.
You guys really like
sure
seeing
to
the
drag
crop
him
tops?
into the darkness.
No one says hit me. So you guys don't like So you guys are like done with Hit Me. You're like, we're good with Hit Me, it seems. I'm trying to, you know, Hit Me, I like it. So I'm gonna put Hit Me or not. Let's see what walang sawa. Hindi kayo nagsasawa, guys. Ayaw nga sa'yo. Meet your Hit Me super honest. Thank you. Mga 10 songs. 10 songs? 10 songs? 미치겠어요. The song he sang with the so Ready to Burn you like. Oh. Release na 2.2. My new pattern. I hope Round Festival got more hats. But this is my remembrance for Round Festival. See, even my hoodie is Round Festival. Round Festival.
They are merely
It was really a
talking
nice
shadows,
experience, guys.
chattering away endlessly
So I
about
can't
the
give
past affairs.
this. This one, let's see. Right. Sometimes it kind of fits me, so I'm like debating. Recommend some perfume for me. What do you want na scent profiles? Wala bang what? What? Parang spa yung room mo, Chi. Oh, it's because of the sound of Genshin. Let me do some commissions first. Oh my gosh. Ano ba to? Let me play some games first. There's nothing I won't do. I'd risk it all for you.
He who wishes to peer into the abyss needs simply to wander through Nodcry on a misty night. The march of the wild hunt will be sure to drag him into the darkness.
Festival cap. Ning, anong favorite mo sa Bato-Batopi? Paper. Sunny days. 감사합니다. Did you eat dinner? Yeah.
Let us have a modicum
Can you also
of
cover
patience for the
10 cm
richness
spring
and
snow?
complexity of humanity.
Guys, ang
The
funny.
wanton cruelty of the few
Di ba we
is
met
not
10
worth
cm
our
nga
ire.
backstage? Tapos, can I share this? Parehas kami ng hairstylist from before. Sabi niya, Sam, that's you! And 10 cm was like, no, she's mine. 너무 재밌어요. So funny. Parehas kami ng hairstylist from before. Sam, you're here.
Just
Beyond the stars, I'd do anything, anything for me to say you want the moon. Until you couldn't you. Fire. There's nothing I won't do. I risk it all for you. Top 5 anime: Jujutsu Kaisen, Attack on Titan, Alno, Exorcist, Fairy Tail. Baka notice. So may iba pa. K, I like K. Is your voice okay na? It's kind of getting there. It's kind of getting better. It's getting there. My voice will always be the best when I don't need it. But when I'm gonna need it, it becomes dead. Sadly, that's how it goes here. Kasi when we last went to Wish Bus, I was so and then now that we did Round Fest a week before that, so it's always during the most useful, the most anticipated times to use it are the times that it gets lost. That's why I overdose on some tea, Pipakwa syrup, Pipakwa candy, everything that can heal my voice. So sometimes I can't drink coffee for a week because my... Bakit parang umuulan dyan? Sorry guys, ano ko lang yun. It's the fan of my laptop. You wanna hear the whole thing? So, hindi umuulan guys. That is just the laptop fan. Kinabahan pa kayo sa performance nyo sa round? Me, no. Well, okay. Kinabahan ako nung hindi bumukas yung ilaw guys. Kinabahan talaga ako nun. Kasi sabi ko, what? What is happening? Where? Doon ako kinabahan. And then, hindi ko naman napansin na there was a wardrobe malfunction. So, I didn't mind that. And even if I did mind that, I knew that I was wearing layers of underwear. So, I was like, it's safe. Either way. Thought sa first one. Si Jeremy ay first one member na talaga. Kapag kasama namin, nung nagsusulong practice kami guys, hindi na sumasama si Jeremy sa Horizon. Like, sumasama lagi siya sa first one, sumasama lagi siya sa Kaya. Tapos nung nag-interview kami, sabi, oh, this is Horizon Jeremy with first one. Sabi niya, hindi ako Horizon Jeremy first one. Ako, okay. Pero ganun talaga si Jeremy. Pag nakakita siya ng ibang group, sumasama talaga siya sa ibang groups. Tapos iniiwan niya kami. Ganun lang talaga ang buhay. Nagsasawa na siya sa amin eh. Okay. Hindi ko na yung first one, Jeremy. Oo, sabi ko, pero bumalik ng Horizon! Joke lang. Huwag kang babalik. Pero bumalik siya. Pinapanood mo Anong perfume? Ang dami. May introvert ba sa Horizon? Yes, marami. Pinamigay ko na yung anak. Yeah, ang daming comments. Information. Overload na ako. Can I get high? Hi. How's Marcus as Bunso? Not really Bunso material. He's more like Kuya material. He's not Bunso material too much. Fave lines to fly with it. Fave lines to fly with it. Say Horizon. Gotta make it work, baby. Yeah. Yeah, this one. Say Horizon. Gonna make it work, baby. I'ma make it rain on me. Who's the Bunso material? Bunso material is Raster. Raster is Bunso material and Kyler. Raster and Kyler are the Bunso material. They are the real minors in the group. Your rap line in Fly With It. Introvert line pala ang Bunso. Yeah, basically parang ganun na nga. Asa na yung cup collection? What's your favorite lyric sa Lunon? The outro, anong lilibutin kung ikaw na ang mundo? That's really, I like that part. Sa huli, ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko. Yeah, I do have a Fly With It shirt. Let me get it. Oh! Where is my Fly With It shirt? Fly with it shirt. Fly with it shirt? Is that you? Where is the Fly With It shirt? Pakita ko lang. Excuse me. Wow, I'm so full. Red. Oh. Do you guys want the shirt? Please watch out for our shirt in I don't know. How do you guys want to have it? Tawagin mo si Kyler. Kyler! Kyler! Yan kaya nababasag yung boses ko, guys. Yeah. Now you see why wala akong boses lagi. I go insane. TikTok shop. I don't know how that works. How would we sell if we wanted to sell it? Because it was just an idea of mine to like make Fly With It shirts and give it during Round Festival, and that was it. But if you guys are interested in getting some, then maybe we could make that happen. Gcash nyo na lang sa akin, guys. Ibigyan ko kayo ng t-shirt na itim, tas kayo na yung magpa-print. Joke! Hindi din ako magaling magpa-print. Sinend ko lang yung design and then it's now on a shirt. 감사합니다. Gusto namin yung design mo. Yung design na lang. Yung isa-send ko. Digital. Oh no. It's nearly midnight in Australia. Dude, we met an Australian dude on the elevator with Horizon. We came from practice, and then an Australian dude was like, "What's up, guys?" And I was like, "Are you Australian? We love the Australian accent." I think that was the weirdest thing to say. We love the Australian accent. It was just like, "Oh, guys." Bye, guys. I think kailangan na natin mag-good night kasi gabi na. Oh! So dry. Umuulan ba? No, guys, hindi na umuulan. It's just my laptop fan. It's just my laptop fan. My nose is very dry right now. Like, I don't know, like, ouch. Thank you po. Oh, kapag gumagawa ba ako ng puso, ilalabas? Or nagkataon lang? Bye, guys. Good night. Why is it dark? Because it's time to sleep, guys. It's time. I'm gonna play and watch. And goodbye. We will see you very, very soon as Horizon complete. To celebrate Angkor Day, Angkor Anniversary. 감사합니다. 잘 자요. Good night, 여러분. Magandang gabi at kayo ay matulog ng marami at masarap. At kami ay babalik. At magkikita din tayo sa JBL Audio Playground. Salamat. When did you meet TJ and KZ? Did you nervous? Ho, ho, ho. Oh, we met them nung day 1. Pinky up. Nung day 1. And, yeah, sabi ko nga ni na Kyler at ni Winston, kanta tayo ng palagi, guys. Di kayo na lang. Kanta tayo ng palagi. Pero hindi nila ginawa, hindi sila kumanta. So, nagulat kami na kasama din si Miss KZ sa room. Lumabas. Biglang nandun pala si Miss KZ. So, we said hi. We gave our album. And they were like, we're gonna listen. And we were like, no! Don't listen! Just kidding. They were really nice when we gave them the album. They're like, we're gonna listen to this on the car on the way back. We were just like very shy. Because we were like, some songs are in Korean, so you might get shocked. It's like, no, it's fine. So yeah, guys, thank you so much. And thank you, of course, to everyone who made Round Festival happen. To all of you who came to Round Festival, to our team who made it so amazing, our stylist, our performance director, our choreographer, Coach Joseph too, Sir Dan. Yeah, shout out to everyone who made it amazing. It was really a fun performance to build and think of, and yeah, everything, and perform was, yeah, that was one of our core things to do when we did the performance. We were like, we should just enjoy, guys. We enjoy a lot, and I think a lot of my members, I saw them really enjoying the stage, which sometimes I know they can get very nervous, but that day too, I felt that everyone was enjoying, everyone was having fun, everyone was just doing what they love. It was so nice to see, and it's really nice to be on stage with other other people who are also enjoying what they do, and it's just like a collective thing of enjoying everything, because when we all enjoy, the audiences enjoy. So I hope you guys enjoyed, because we enjoyed a lot performing for you guys. It was so fun, so fun, fun. Yeah, I hope we could do another one like that soon again. Hi. So proud of you guys. Salamat. When will you visit the Philippines? What? I am in that country, I think. Am I not? Am I not in the Philippines? I'm in the Philippines! Bigat and Billie Jean. Yung mga dance break request, i-ready na po. What? Shout out mo daw si Nash. Uy, nandito ba si Nash? Nash, I thought you were in Korea. Oh, no. I'm in the Philippines. Bigat and Billie Jeans. Do you like adobo? Crisostomo Capybara. Are you the one who made the lyric video? No, I didn't make the lyric video. We had someone else make the lyric video. Thank you so much. You know who you are. We love your tinola. Oh, thank you. Nagluto si Kim nung isang araw sa here ng adobo. Masarap. Masarap yung adobo ni Kim. 10 out of 10. Would recommend. I also make good adobo, but I have not cooked since my tinola disaster. Hindi na ulit ako nag-attempt kasi sabi ko, wow, the people really don't like me cooking. So I just stopped. Just kidding. No. I don't have the time to cook like before. I would have time in Korea to like buy stuff. But right now I just eat everything prepared. Bye-bye. Eh, pag nagbababay ako, biglang ang dami yung tanong eh. Tinatrap nyo ako eh. Ringtone for alarm. Ringtone for anchors. Paano ba? Alarm for anchors. Gising, anchor! Gising! Gising! Get ready! Mamaya ng 11 ka mag-end. Stop trapping me! Stop holding me hostage, guys. I wasn't recording. Well, that's your fault. Why weren't you recording? Just kidding. Gising! Angkor gising! Get ready! Is that enough? My other members are sleeping, playing games, eating, maybe. Don't end the live just yet. I just got here. That's what you all say, and then you didn't really. You could easily have said that without, show me proof first. Show me proof that you just entered the live. I think you were here. Gigising ng maaga for sure. Okay, bye-bye guys. Bye-bye.